Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to Peter's Autolog. Here we are at the Los Angeles International Auto Show and in front of the 2025 Toyota Crown Signia, which is an SUV based out of the Crown sedan that Toyota has just recently, also not too long ago, added to their lineup. This one here is basically sort of a replacement for the Venza, as the Venza is basically being phased out in 2024. This is a really beautiful looking SUV. I really like it. It's got the front styling of the new Camry, kind of put together with you know, kind of the looks of of course the new generation of Highlander. I really like the color. Really nice looking Crown Signia. It's going to be powered by a 2.5 liter engine paired with 3 electric motors, producing about 243 horsepower, and it comes standard with all-wheel drive. It's going to have towing capability of about 2,700 pounds. And it is, I don't think it's a 7-passenger, but it is at least a 5-passenger SUV. I really like it. Something different from Toyota. Being a 2025, of course, you know, we're still in 2020, not even to 2024 yet. Really nice styling. More of an upscale model. This is, there's going to be 2 models, the XLE and this one here is the Limited that we have in front of us. I love the colors, really beautiful colors. You can see, guys, we have those LED daytime running lights that are resembled sort of a Prius as well. That's kind of the same styling as well on the new 2025 Camry. I love the LED lighting here as well. You got some black accents and a front lip spoiler there as well. Coming around over here, guys, we got those 21-inch wheels. Beautiful black wheels, kind of a dark grayish wheel with a bit of black wells there. As you can see, we got the mirror here. Got some turn signals as well integrated into the mirror, which is blacked. As you can see, guys, it's still a prototype vehicle. Able to see the interior of that, kind of similar to the Camrys. If you see my video of the Camry that we went inside yesterday of it, very similar to that actually. So this one does have a panoramic sunroof. You can see some of the rails here on the top, really nice aluminum rails, which are kind of low sitting there, not to be too intrusive. You got the panoramic sunroof. Love that bit of aluminum trim there as well. More of an elegant, this is quite a bit of room inside. In the back you can see, there you guys, my reflection there. Yes, there's quite a bit of room in the back there. I really like this thing. 2025 Toyota Crown Signia. Now, of course, this being a hybrid model, it's going to have a pretty good range. You're probably looking in the 40s in terms of highway miles. So any force, you still got the gas engine, which is fantastic. I love the combination of hybrid and electric. I think that's the best of both worlds. But you're gonna have pretty good amount of power, 243 horsepower, nothing crazy, but this might be one of the first for Toyota. This will probably be introduced or coming along in about 2 to 3 months. We'll see this coming back, probably not till next year. But you can see, guys, here we go. All-wheel drive HEV. I'm sorry about my shadow there. Got a lot of lights here. Toyota Crown and the Limited model. So tell me, guys, what you think of this 2025 Toyota Crown. Now the pricing on this is probably going to be in around $50,000, give or take, depending on the model. So for $50,000 you get a really nice looking SUV, hybrid power plant with 243 horsepower, all-wheel drive is standard, and about 2,700 pounds of towing. So that's pretty good to the, you know, pretty good lineup, a pretty good value considering today's prices of SUVs and whatnot. So all right, guys, thank you for watching. Let me know what you guys think of this 2025 Toyota Crown Signia. I like it. Very nice looking SUV. And as soon as we can get our hands on one, probably by in the first quarter next year, we'll hopefully bring you a full review and a drive. All right, guys, thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.